Begin configuring your feed from the content menu by selecting the Weather Graphics tile. In the next window on the left, you'll see a preview where you can see live changes to your feed. In the left corner of the preview, click to toggle between the content views. Available content views are current, day part, 5-hour forecast, 10-hour forecast, 5-day forecast, and 10-day forecast. To the right of the preview, set a custom name for the feed. Then enter a location. Location is defined by postal code, city and state, city and country, or latitude and longitude. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Select your content views. By default, all content views are chosen. Click on the radio button next to a content view to deselect the content view from the feed. Set your preferred temperature unit. By default, this feed will use the appropriate unit based on your location. You can override if you wish. Set your language. Set the duration for each content view. Default is 10 seconds. Randomize the order of content views. Enable or disable animation. Choose your style from the preset style buttons or further customize by choosing the Custom Style button. Available style customizations are font, colors for day, background and text, colors for night, background and text, accent colors, background and text, advisory colors, background and text, intro colors, background and text, and background type being gradient, solid, or transparent. Choose an intro style, background, and message. Set your delivery method. Available delivery methods are HTML, Media RSS, and Direct URL. Click the Create Feed button to create your Weather Graphics feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.